Hey guys, it's just a quick video I wanted to make to let you know what's coming for the Mustang. So I'm finally going to do a build on the channel. I've always wanted to, and I'm finally able to have a decently nice car to put a little bit of money into, so we're going to build it. So this video isn't to flex or anything like that. After all, I'm in a V6 Mustang, and $2,000 isn't a whole lot of money. And I actually acquired that by selling several of my guns. So I sold some of my guns so I could buy parts for the Mustang so we can do videos on the Mustangs. So, nothing real major. I just sold some of the guns. I don't shoot that much, so not that big a deal. I mean, I hate to part with any of them, but I really want to start wrenching on this car and have a project car to play with and make the channel more of like I wanted to be with guns and cars. My intent was always to build cars and have project cars and stuff like that. Not constantly just fixing stuff, which is most of what I've done on the channel. Is not at all my goal. I want to build cars, so we're finally starting that. So again, not flexing. I just wanted to update you guys so you know that I actually got something coming along those lines. So I ordered a cold air intake for it. Got some new plugs because I want to put new plugs in it, good ones. I got a lower temp thermostat, and I got a aluminum one-piece drive shaft because the stock one apparently disintegrates above 120 miles an hour, or can disintegrate, I should say. There's a few documented cases. So that's part of the reason there's a super low governor on this car, even though it has 300 horsepower. So I want to take the governor off so I can go faster than my Kia Rio. And so I ordered that drive shaft so I can do so. And then probably the biggest, coolest part of what I got is the tuner. It's a SCT tuner. It comes with a few base maps on it, and you can do some tuning with it. But the real reason I got it is because I'm going to run MPT tunes. But I'm going to be doing videos of what you can do with the SCT on its own, which I've already done. I just wanted to post this video first before I start posting that stuff. And then I'm really excited to run the MPT tunes, which are supposed to be like the best tunes you can get for this car. So it's going to really open this thing up and, let me take the governor off and all that, and let me make the transmission shift the way I want. And then last but not least, what was the last thing? Oh, yeah. My gears. The gears in this thing are horrendously tall. At 80 miles an hour, I'm at 1900 RPMs on the highway. So that's how Ford got away with saying these things got 30 miles a gallon with 300 horsepower. But it is terrible for performance. And since it's not a V8, it doesn't have super great low-end torque. Especially with a 7,000 RPM redline, it likes to rev, which means it's a top-end motor. So combination of those really stupid tall gears and not that great a low-end torque, it takes off the line slow. I mean, like, I can't even hardly get this thing to peel out most of the times. So that's pretty boring. So instead of the 273 factory gears, we're going to go 373, which is going to make a hell of a lot of difference. So that's what you guys got to look forward to. Hope you guys are along for the ride. I hope there's some people that want to watch the build. I'm hoping that this will bring in a whole lot of new subscribers and a car crew. Of course, we're still doing guns and all that. It's guns and cars after all. But this is something I've been wanting to do a long time. So that's what we got coming so far. And I'm going to order a few more parts probably this year. Do a few other things here and there. There's going to be some maintenance stuff on it. Like I need to put brakes on it. I'm probably going to upgrade the brakes. I was looking at some pulleys. And hopefully next year my plan is to supercharge it, which actually makes these V6 ones faster than the 5.0. But what's cool about that is for the price of the car and the supercharger kit, it's still less than a 5.0, but it's faster. So you can actually go faster than a 5.0 for less money by doing the supercharger kit. So we might touch more on that later, but that is the plan for next year. We're doing bolt-ons this year, tune and all that and make the car just a great ride. And then hopefully next year we'll have some serious power. So thanks for watching. As always, please hit the like button for me. And if you don't want to miss any of that, these videos coming up about this car, or any of the videos for anything for that matter, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Click on all. That way you will be notified when I post. So anyways, guys, yeah, I'm super excited about all this coming up. So hope you guys are too, and I hope to see you along with it.